Heptagon, seven-sided shape. A heptagon has seven sides. A heptagon can be a regular heptagon with all equal length sides and all equal interior angles, or an irregular heptagon with all different length sides. A heptagon can be either convex with all vertices pointing out from the center, or concave with some sides pointing in toward the center of the shape. Note that shape names ending in gon, G-O-N, are two-dimensional shapes, when shape names ending in hedron are three-dimensional shapes. Example, dodecagon versus a dodecahedron, a 12-sided two-dimensional shape versus a 12-sided three-dimensional shape. A pentagon has 5 sides, a hexagon has 6 sides, an octagon has 8 sides, a decagon has 10 sides, a dodecagon has 12 sides. A heptagon has 7 sides. Related words: pentagon, hexagon, octagon, decagon, dodecagon.